I don't even know him right now. Do I know you?
Nah.
We do not know each other.
So you better give me free money.
I'm about to give you free money, bro. Everyone is complaining about the batch pay from Instacart. Maybe Instacarts don't have the means right now to give everybody a little bump. I doubt it, but I'm gonna give Instacarters a 25 cents per item. And that's because I love Instacart so dearly that I'm willing to help you guys out and give these shoppers the pay they deserve. I got you covered, Instacart. We're a team. You ever heard that term, secure the bag? Well, this is definitely a bag of money.
I ordered for Bella.
You have like $20 in quarters. Can I exchange 20 for quarters? No? 1,000 quarters? Add it up? You don't got 1,000 quarters? Excuse me. Do you guys have $100 in quarters? I need 10,000 quarters. Yeah.
What are you gonna do with 10,000 quarters?
What about $60 in quarters?
Too much.
$40 in quarters?
Too much.
$20 in quarters?
Too much. $10 probably. Not even $10.
Not even $10. All right, I gotta try the bank in the morning. So they didn't have 100 quarters, or $20 in quarters, or any type of quarters. They probably had $4.
They even had $10.
Yeah, they probably had $4 in quarters. So we're gonna have to try this somewhere else. Buddy, you got $20 in quarters? $20. Vente dollars in quarters? No. You don't got no quarters? All right. Thanks, man. My neighbor didn't have any quarters either. So, this is gonna be tough trying to get these quarters.
Morning.
Hey, good morning.
How are you doing today?
I'm good, good.
How can I assist you?
Also, I need 10,000 quarters for Christmas. It's a Christmas thing.
Yeah, but the thing is, I can give it to you $100 quarter.
$100 at a time?
Yes, because we cannot even give it to you one box because quarter has a shortage.
How many rolls can you give me in total?
$100.
That's it?
Means 10 of
Did you
them.
request a
Yeah,
new one?
500 quarters.
Well,
25.
10,000 quarters.
Oh no. Well, you need to talk my manager. I don't think so.
All right, so you guys heard it. I'm outside the bank, and yeah, they couldn't give me 10,000 quarters. There's a limit. I guess there's a coin shortage. So yeah, this is how much is it? 400 quarters right here. We need like 9,600 more. All right, so we just pulled up to another bank. We're gonna see if we can get at least 4,000 quarters out of here. Let's see how this goes. So I have a quick question. I need a lot of quarters. Is there any way I can withdraw like 4,000 quarters?
No.
I don't know what I'm gonna do because it doesn't look like they're gonna give us the coins. Yo, nobody wants to give me like 10,000 quarters, not even the bank. So finally, after trying bank after bank after bank, the show must go on. All right, so I'm outside of the store where a lot of Instacart shoppers shop, and hey, the show must go on. For the Instacart shoppers out here that are underpaid and need to be taken care of, I got you. Let's get it. I think I found a prospect. Right over here. Here we go. I'm saving Instacart shoppers today. You tell me how many items, I'm gonna give you a quarter for every item. However many days it takes me till I give away 10,000 quarters.
That's funny.
I'm so serious right now.
31 and 14, so it's 45 quarters.
45 quarters. Look, saving my brother right now. That's 45. I mean, look at how happy this shopper is with just an extra 25 cents per item, Instacart. Come on. Hit the like. Quarters, there's 45 items he did, so look, here's $10 in quarters. That's 40 quarters right here. Here you go.
About right for this bag.
He said it exactly, right? That's the base pay we need right there. All right, so let me give him 5 more quarters. Hold
This is a 36, makes it a 46. That's about right, because then you got about $6 in gas.
Exactly, brother. Oh, quarters everywhere. That's yours. Boom.
That's too many.
Oh, is that too many?
Yeah.
I take them.
I don't want Instacart paying me too much money.
Oh yeah, you're right. That's unfair. that makes me feel so much better. Instacart shopper, very happy right now. He's very happy. And the base pay went up. So let's continue this. Let's find some more shoppers and make them happy and give them what they deserve. I got you, Instacart. Don't worry. I know you're not giving out more base pay, but I got you. Don't worry. Hit the like. How many items you got today?
That one is 40 items.
40 items?
Yes.
I'm gonna give you a quarter for every item.
Okay.
So I'm gonna pay you more.
Okay.
Deal?
How?
How? You finish your batch and I'm gonna give you a quarter for every item that you shop today.
Great.
I'm so serious. He thinks I'm joking. I'm so serious. I'm gonna give you 25 cents. I'm gonna give you a quarter for every single item in this cart. Add it onto your whatever you make for Instacart. I don't care what you made, but I'm gonna give you 25 cents for every item in this cart today.
Okay.
Deal?
Deal.
This is for base pay, 40. That's 40 quarters, and you got 8 more to go, brother. And you know what this is for, right?
Yeah.
Because everybody's complaining about the base pay being so. Is the base pay horrible?
Yes, horrible.
Everybody thinks the base pay is horrible, so there goes 40 quarters, and you got 8 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That go up. $12 more.
Yeah.
Let's get it,
Thank
brother.
you, man.
Let's go. Hey, that's how you make Instacart. Now you happy?
Yeah.
That's my boy. That's my boy. All right, have a good day, brother. So the banks thought they could stop Tap Bar. They can't stop me. Plan B. Let's get it. We got, yo, they're not gonna give me all those quarters, and it'll take days, if not weeks, to get all those quarters by going to the banks one by one. So instead, we're gonna do it in bills. All right, let's get it. Hit the like, share the video. If you guys want me to save the gig community, I don't care what gig you're doing, you guys have to like the video. Like this video so it can get a lot of views, so I can continue to do this, and subscribe to the other channel, link in the description. Let's get it. We got a bag full of money. We secured the bag. And we also got a bag full of quarters. Huh? Whatever order you swipe, like you swipe a 20, 30, whatever, it doesn't matter what it is. However many items is on that list, you're gonna get 25 cents extra per item. Come to the store and I'm gonna show you how. I'm gonna show you, bro.
I'm on my way there now.
All right, peace.
All right, yeah.
We're on a hunt for Instacart shoppers to let them know what's going on. I know what they look like. They usually have a phone in their hand and walking really fast. I spotted one. You do Instacart, right?
What's going on?
You do Instacart, right?
Yes, sir.
Hey, look, the promotion today.
Yes.
25 cents extra for every item you find.
Okay.
Every item you find, meet me in the parking lot after. Keep it on the low.
Let's run it up.
All right, let's run it up. Let's get it. You know about the Instacart promotion today?
I do.
25 cents extra
Per item.
As a matter of fact, for you, I think they told me 25 cents extra per unit. Wow. So yeah, per unit. So that's better than items. How many units do you have there, buddy?
51.
51 units? So yeah, that's 51 quarters for you, brother. Yeah, we'll see me after you finish your shopping. All right?
All right,
hurry up. How many items? 40, 50? 50 items. That's what you was gonna say, 50. Yeah, 50 items. There we go. 50 items. 50 divided by 4. $12.50 extra to that batch. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, $12 extra. Can't forget the 50 cents. Hey, so all right, how many items you got here?
In calculation, I have to look because I forgot.
How many units?
Quite a bit of units.
Huh? Yeah, you're gonna get paid for the units, not even the items. We're doing the units right now. You know, 36 units on the first one.
13 on the second one.
13.
That's 4.
Plus that?
12.
Wait.
16.
So you do the math. I'm confused already. We 36 on the first one.
Okay. 2 on that one, so
35.
38.
38.
That's it.
So 38 plus 36?
Correct.
All right. Boom, that's 74 quarters right there, yo. Instacart, we taking care of our people out here, Instacart. 74 quarters,
74.
25 cents per unit. That's 74 units right there. You get 74 quarters. Let's get it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Let's go. Extra to the bats. Let's get it.
Listen here,
18 to the back. What do you mean? I'm not giving money.
You got your
I did a 200 items.
Yo,
Like now,
I gotta see the proof though. We see.
Okay.
Hey, yo, look.
You don't want none of these.
Yo, look.
You don't want none of these.
Let's get it.
Instacart.
Hey, while I'm giving money away, I'm not giving money away. I'm just raising the premium for the base pay. How many items?
Costco, 44.
44 items. That was today. I seen the math.
Yeah,
Yo, 44 items. Let's get it. We're gonna raise that premium right now. All right, let's do it. Let's fix that. Let's fix that. Cause how much did they give you for that base pay? Not the tip. The base pay they gave you. They gave you $23.
Yeah,
20. That's it.
Yeah.
And it was 40 what? 40. How many items?
44.
44 items for 20. Get out of here. Let's do 44 items. Divided by 4. That's $11 extra right there. 1,
All right.
2, 3, 4,
pay my
5,
lunch
6,
right now?
7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now what's your base pay?
Thank you, bro.
Now your base pay just went up to 30-something dollars. Instacart. Now are you happier?
Yeah, really.
Let's go. You happier too, right?
I'm absolutely excited.
Hey, see, Instacart, this is what we need. We need about 25 cents extra per unit. Let's get it. Wait. I got you covered, brother. How many units?
51.
51 units, right? And I remember because I talked to you, we seen your ad at the beginning. All right, so
51 divided by 4.
divided by 4, exactly. Oh, you're a smart one, brother.
That's
You're-
about 13.
Woo, $12.75.
Yeah.
$12.75. Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Boom. Let's get it. Let's get those quarters.
That's gotta be heavy, man.
Oh yeah. Let's get those quarters. 75. All right, let's get these quarters. There we go. Boom. And you are all set.
These are nice and shiny too.
Nice and shiny. Brand new quarters, baby. You got your 51 quarters. How does that make you feel now as an Instacart shopper?
It feels great.
It doesn't feel better than you felt before.
Yep.
How much better?
10 times better.
10 times better. Instacart, we got 10 times better feeling because he got 25 cents per unit.
It might not sound like a lot, but it adds up.
But it adds up, Instacart. It adds up, and obviously we're making shoppers happy here. So come on, let's go. Hit the like. So my brother here has hooked me up with about 20 Instacart shoppers. Thank you for putting the word out. Now, all of them didn't come up to me, but he did put the word out. He looks out for me all the time. So I want to hook you up, man. $1 per Instacart shopper. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Boom.
Oh my God, thank you so much, bro.
Yeah.
Oh, tap our YouTube. Check it out. Check it out, people.
Yeah, let's get it.
My people.
You doing Instacart?
Yeah.
I'm Tap Var. I'm hooking you up. However many items you got in that, I'm gonna give you the money per item. I'm gonna give you money on top of your items right now
For what?
to help out Instacart shoppers.
You try to body jump.
No. No. I'm gonna give you 25 cents per item you shop today. Extra.
For what?
What do you mean for what? Because I'm a good person. You know what I'm saying?
All right,
I'm hooking up my people. You know what I'm saying? I don't even know him right now. Do I know you?
Nah.
We do not know each other.
So you better give me free money.
I'm about to give you free money, bro.
All right,
free
bet.
money. So how many items did you shop today?
It's 30.
30 items. You shop. I'm gonna take your word for it.
Yeah, this 30.
More than that, because you did 30 items, so it gotta be more units. 45 units. I'm gonna get 45 quarters. All right. That's 11.25, bro. You getting 11.25 today, extra.
All right, bet.
You know what I'm saying? Let's get that. Let's get that. Hold on. Let's get that.
That's
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Let's get it, bro.
All right, bet.
Boom. That's
Yeah,
extra. You know what I'm saying? Does that make you feel better as an Instacart shopper?
Yeah, for sure. Appreciate it.
I'm hooking up all Instacart shoppers. Let's get it. So after this long day and my camera died, we got about 3 bands left and some quarters left. Yeah, we're gonna get rid of these probably tomorrow or the next day or the next video. Who knows? I don't know. But if you guys enjoyed this video, if you want more videos like this, I'm gonna need you guys to like the video. We gotta grow the channel, because the bigger the channel grows, the bigger I can do stuff like this, and I can reach people not only in my area but everywhere else. So make sure to like the video. It's Team Run It Up. You already know. Let's get it.